Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Today I'm back with another interesting and very useful process in gardening, which is mulching. So we'll talk about mulching in detail. We'll see what is mulching and what are the benefits of mulching, what all things you can use to mulch your plants. So let's get started. Let's check out what is mulching. So it's a highly beneficial gardening technique, or if I say process, of covering bare garden soil, usually with organic material. A highly recommended process for potted plants, as it gives n number of benefits to the plant and the soil. Now let's talk about types of mulching. There are two types of mulching. You can use organic or inorganic materials for the same. However, for potted plants and garden, organic mulching is highly recommended. And you can use a variety of materials for organic mulching, like dry leaves collected from your garden, rice husk or a straw, wood shavings or wood chips, sawdust, or even sphagnum moss. And all you need to do is cover the top layer of soil with any of these items for about 1 to 3 inches depending on the size of the plant and pot. Now if we talk about what are inorganic materials for mulching, you might have seen plastic sheets on strawberry or melon fields. Similarly, pebbles and gravels are also used for mulching in gardens. But using organic materials are always recommended for mulching, as they offer several benefits to the plants and soil. Let's discuss about the benefits of mulching. The first and very important benefit is it helps reducing evaporation of water from the soil. So you don't have to water your plant frequently, as it retains moisture in soil for longer. Another benefit is temperature control. It helps protect soil from heating by direct sunlight, keeping some heat intact during winters. So basically, it keeps the soil cooler in summer and warmer in winters. Mulching also helps in prohibiting growth of weeds, thus it acts as weed control method. Whereas in pots without mulching, you will see many weeds growing in. Another benefit of mulching is it acts as pest control. It helps breaking the life cycle of various insects whose next growth step, usually which is pupa, is in the soil, like leaf miners and other beetles. Similarly, it keeps away snails and slugs reaching out to the plant by creating a barrier between the soil and plant. Another benefit of mulching is it saves fruits and vegetables from rotting in case of creepers, to save fruits from touching the soil and getting affected, like strawberries, melons. Now coming to another very important benefit of mulching. The organic materials used for mulching gets decomposed slowly, and it amends the soil, makes it porous and light also. So basically it provides nutrition to soil. Now here comes the last benefit, which is it helps keeping the soil soft and roots doesn't come up. You might have seen the difference in the pots without mulch. Roots starts coming up and the soil becomes really dry and compact. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want me to make specific video for your requirement, do let me know through comments. I will come up soon with one more interesting video. Bye-bye.